Cool, there we go. Okay, cool. We're good. Hey guys. So for those of you who do not know me, my name is Tim. I'm the youth pastor here at Beacons Bible Church. The reason today for our little convo is that there's this cool app that's recently been released. It is not our app, but it is a third-party app that we can utilize. Um, and it is called Church Center. Today, what we'll be doing, we'll be going through a beginning to install to a finish of setup. The app, I'll be showing you a step-by-step process so you guys all know what you have to do to get into it. It's all pretty simple. There's nothing too complicated in there, but a little visual aid never hurt anyone. I also, during that process, will be showing you guys some of the features it has, which are pretty cool, you know. Primarily, they are here to help us keep in communication with information. Primarily for you guys to know what we're doing and for us to kind of know who you guys are and to help you guys link up with groups and other things that we can offer and help you guys out with. So without further ado, if you guys want to follow along, right now would be a good time to get your phones out. Go to your guys' app store. It's the same for Android as it would be for Apple. Same process. Once you're at your app store, go in there and type in Church Center. Okay. Yeah. Right on. You know, I just realized you guys can't see my phone, like, like at all. Oh, that's just no good. I have an idea. I'll be right back. Stay. No, no, stay, 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 okay, stay. Awesome, you guys are still there. So now we're gonna start downloading and walking you guys through how to set up Church Center. So the first step is to go to you guys' App Store. In my case, it's the Play Store. Search for Church Center, then just install it. It's totally 100% free. After it has finished installing, just open it up. Now, in your guys' case, when you guys get to this point, you will actually not see Beacons Bible Church there. You will have to actually put in your zip code. So I will show you what you will have to do. So you will so you will have to enter in your postal code, like so. Then once you've done that, just click on the church you were looking for. In our case, Beacons Bible Church. Yes, this is my church. Now you will put in your phone number. It will send you a code to put into the box there. Just copy that code, put in the box. Perfect. So now, if your profile does not have a phone number associated with it, or you have not, or a profile has not been made, or the profile that we have on file for you, it has a wrong or incorrect phone number, or at least one that or a different one for the one you are using, you will see a different screen here. The next thing that it would ask for would be your email, and then your first and last name, and so on and so forth, creating a whole profile. If you do put your phone number in and it comes up with your name, in our case, hello Joey, then you're all good to go and you just proceed on. Boom. Now you're in the app. So I will walk you through a few of the things it can do. Basic stuff here, so it's all very self-explanatory. But if you go over to giving, this is a section here where you can just text in a dollar value and give money, donate money to the church. It's super convenient. Though you do have to, before this is functional, hook up a credit card or your bank account directly to your account here to do that. But it's a very simple process, just like you would to do that on anything else. Um, if there are any current events that are planned and are going on, you can find them here. You could register for the events. If the event costs money for whatever reason, you could also pay for that event on this app right here. So it's super convenient. Um, but currently, there are nothing coming up here in the near future. If we go over to groups, here you can see uh, different group categories that we currently have here. Okay, so let's say you're going for our adult group. Okay, here you can see the list of different groups under that category for adult group. Our Saturday afternoon group, Saturday morning small group for men, and so on and so on. And here, young adult group, right there. The youth group, right here. It tells you the time, if it's open or not. But if you want more information, you can click on it. So here, looking at the youth group, you can see some basic information about it, the neighborhood that it's in, some information who's leading the group, the schedule of it, a small little bio, whoever, whatever that might be, contact information with that person, location, leaders, upcoming events for the specific group, and you can ask to join the group. Some groups are open join, other groups you will have to ask permission. That's all based off of the group leader's decision on that. Last thing is that if you go up to the top right corner and click on the image up there, here is where you would add a bank account or a credit card. You could see what you're giving information. So if you've given through the app or through the website, also you can it'll show up here too. It'll give you a record of that. Also your registration. So that's any of the events that we may have coming up. It'll show you that too. Also any groups that you are currently enrolled in. But if you click on your name up here, you can also edit your information, put up a profile picture, change your name if it's misspelled or something, edit your phone number, add more numbers, your emails, and some other basic information down below. And doing this just gives the church this information. Nobody else has it besides the staff of the church, and letting you correct your information if you move or anything like that, or change your phone number. And it's all very simple. I mean, that's it. It's a very straightforward little app. Thank you guys so much for checking this out. Hope you guys can use the app and it helps you out keeping in touch with the church. Just God bless, guys, and have a good one.